Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Today is our last morning in Venice. So we had our full 3 days in Venice, and now we are headed to Rome. So in just about a half hour here, we're going to be taking a water taxi to the train station, and then from there we're taking the high-speed train into Rome, which will be about 4 hours.
Yeah, but can't wait. We're going to do our water taxi to there and be our first train ride as far as for the speedy train. So, so we'll see how that goes. I'm a little nervous for it, but I think we know exactly our plan, and we'll get there great.
Yeah. So what did you think of Venice?
Oh, I love Venice. I think definitely beautiful. We didn't see probably even a quarter of it, but we did go out and do a lot of stuff. So hopefully we can be back and see it again.
It was a really lovely 3 days. The first day was just all sleep and rest after a super long travel day. And then the next couple of days were just exploring and seeing the sights. I love that kind of format when doing a longer trip, is to have a relaxing start at least 1 or 2 days before going into some big exploring. So that is what today is.
Yeah.
We're headed to Rome and we're ready to explore. We're nice and rested.
Yep. So it's my number one place I wanted to visit. So we're ready to see that, and I'm getting really anxious to see that Colosseum. So it's getting closer.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna head out and we'll show you our trip on the way to Rome.
Now just waiting for our platform to be announced, and then we'll head over onto the train. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
We got poured on.
Yeah.
After we got as we were getting out of the water taxi, but it was still a really nice ride, don't you think?
Yeah, it was fun. We're right there.
Yeah.
It's a little hectic on the way out, but it's an adventure.
I'm sad to be leaving.
Yeah.
And I'm sad the water taxis are done.
No, we only took 5 of them.
We only took 5. Okay, we're at platform 6. So we're headed over here. This is really easy to follow. It has the platforms really easily marked. Now we're just headed to coach number 2. We've got the business class seats. This is our snack. We have a couple of sodas, waters. We have a hand wipe and a couple of cookies.
Grazie della collaborazione. Si è tanto
So we made it to Rome. We just got a taxi right from the train station over to our hotel. We're staying at Hotel Lunetta. We just have a classic double room, so let me show you what it looks like. So here is the entrance. To the right of the entrance is a closet which has a mirror, and inside the closet we've unpacked a little bit. So Thomas has his clothes in here. There's a shelf up at the top, some hangers, a safe, and a refrigerator. And turning from the closet, There is the bed. On the left-hand side, there are some shelves. I have my things right here. And an end table with a mirror. Another mirror up here. And kind of same thing on the other side. Next to the door, we have the TV and a desk with some coffee and tea and a bottle of water. And then here is our view. Not the most exciting, but that is okay. And then across the room is the bathroom. Pretty modern looking bathroom. We have the towel warmer over here, along with the toilet and the bidet. Then we have the shower, rainfall shower head, and the sink, along with a mirror and a makeup mirror. The only thing with this bathroom is there's not any real shelving. There's this one down below here that has some robes on it and some towels. But otherwise, there's not really anywhere you can put toiletries, which is fine. We're gonna make it work. For lunch, we got supli, which is risotto fried with cheese inside.
All right, this is the cacio de pepe supli. Let's try this one. Creamy. So I'd give it, out of 5, I'd probably say a 3.5.
Oh,
So
for which one?
for the whole experience as far as that, but I do think the cacio de pepe was my favorite.
I liked the Classico one, I think, a little bit more than the cacio e pepe, but they were good.
So we're here at where Julius Caesar was brutally murdered. It's pretty cool. Like, if you look around, it's just in the middle of a city, which is crazy that these ruins are just here. I can't pronounce the name of the place, or I would do that, but I'm sure Emily will put it across the screen here. I'm not caring a world about this.
It's our first gelato in Rome.
This is the place it's from, and it's cherry and then a chocolate. It's the best one we had so far, I think.
Nice.
Very good, very creamy. Very chocolatey, and it's dripping all over me. So I'm going to try to eat this really quick. That's really good.
So we are at Piazza Navona. I've really started to like the piazzas in Italy because there's just so much space all around us. And with all the crowded streets, it's just nice to take a break in the piazzas.
I'm sure this is prime real estate right here, whatever it is. But it's really cool.
can imagine having that window right there staring out at this fountain as your yard. Kind of cool.
So we stopped at the Pantheon. We're going to be here in a couple of days to go inside, but we thought we would check it out now on our way to the next stop. We made it to the Trevi fountain. It does now cost $2 a person if you want to go down to the basin to throw a coin in. It's a little too crowded to do that right now, but we will be back. And last but not least, we are at the Spanish Steps.
Yes, we went all around. It was a nice little walk. Got to see a lot of Rome so far, and we enjoyed it. It's definitely walkable.
It's definitely walkable, yeah. And the Spanish Steps are really pretty right now. They have all these flowers all up the steps, which is really nice. So our restaurant tonight is under the ruins of the theater where Julius Caesar was assassinated. The cat sanctuary we were at earlier. So we have the pastas over here, meat courses, fish courses, sides, and desserts.